Hi, little darlings. Good morning. Will you please stand up? Settle down. Stand up, please. Raise your hands. Wave it. Stop. Hands down. Good. Sit straight, all of you. Let me tell you one riddle. Are you ready to answer it? Are you ready? Yes. Okay. Then listen everybody carefully. Yes? Arm long like a rope. I have no legs. Arm I'll repeat the question once more. Arm long like a rope. I have no legs. Arm Can anybody guess the answer? Yes, try. You can't? Then I'll show you the pic. Listen everybody. Okay. Yes. Wow. What is this? I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm long like a rope. I have no legs. I'm a snake. So what's the answer? Snake. Okay. In previous class, we talked about fruits. Can you recall it? Some of the fruits name? Yeah, tell me. National fruit of Kerala. Yes, good. It's jackfruit. Well done. Yes, next one is national fruit is mango. Right answer. Yes. Now tell me some other names. Papaya. Okay. Then banana, apple. Okay. Good. I'm quite happy you are remembering that one. Yes. Now we can just go through the speciality of the fruits. So, one seed fruit is mango. Yes. And many seed fruits, papaya, watermelon. Okay, so these all about fruits. And children, today we are going to talk about vegetables. What is that? Vegetables. Everybody look at the board. Today we are going to learn about vegetables. Have you heard the word vegetables? Are you familiar with this? Vegetables. Okay. I hope you all have seen vegetables because in our daily meal we are using vegetables. And now we are going to talk about some vegetables grow under the ground and some grow above the ground. Okay, so first we can see the vegetables that grow above the ground. Okay, yes. What is this? Can you tell me what is this? This is called pea. What is this? Pea. This vegetable is growing above the ground. Okay? Yes. Now, what is this? This is lady's finger. Repeat, children. Lady's finger. Not your mama's finger or your finger. This is lady's finger. This vegetable name is lady's finger, right? And the next one is, yes, this is called chili. It's a hot vegetable. Chili. What is this? Chili. And what is this? This is called bitter gourd. What is this? Bitter gourd. This vegetable also grow above the ground. And which vegetable is it? Brinjal. You are quite familiar with this. This brinjal, there are two kinds. One is in purple in color and this is green in color. Okay, so this is called brinjal. Repeat, children, brinjal. Okay, and what is this? This is our favorite tomato. What is it? Tomato. So this vegetable also grow above the ground. So above the ground vegetables, tomato, pea, lady's finger, brinjal, chili and bitter gourd. What is the speciality of bitter gourd? What's the taste of it? It is bitter to taste. Bitter gourd is bitter to taste. What's the speciality of chili? It's very hot. It's very hot vegetable. Okay. Then, do you know leafy vegetable? Which are they? Leafy vegetable. Leafy vegetable is called cabbage. What is that? Cabbage. And one more is there. That is spinach. Cabbage and spinach are called leafy vegetables. Cabbage and spinach are called leafy vegetables. Now, which vegetable we eat without cooking? Just think and tell me. Think for a moment. Yeah, it's our favorite cucumber. What is that? Cucumber. Which vegetable we eat without cooking? That is cucumber. Leafy vegetable, cabbage and spinach. Which vegetable we eat without cooking? That is cucumber. So this cucumber, cabbage, spinach, all these vegetables, they grow above the ground. So till now I was talking about the vegetable that grow above the ground. Children, are you clear? Any confusion is there? Okay. So I will specify once more. The vegetable that grow above the ground is pea. P-E-A. Pea. Okay? Right. P-E-A. It's called pea. Yes. Next one is tomato. Tomato. Yes. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. P. Tomato. One more we'll learn. That is chili. C-H-I-L-L-Y. Chili. C-H-I-L-L-Y. Chili. Chili. P. tomato, chili. These vegetables grow above the ground. Now we are going to talk about the vegetables grow under the ground. This is our favorite carrot. Rabbit's favorite food is carrot. And what about you? Do you like carrot? Yes, of course. Most of us like carrot. So this is carrot. This vegetable grow under the ground. And what is this? This is beetroot. Beetroot. And which vegetable is it? Potato. Tell me, potato. Okay. And which vegetable is it? Onion. Tell me, children, onion. So this onion, potato, carrot and beetroot, these vegetables grow under the ground. So which vegetables grow under the ground? Tell me, children. Onion, potato, carrot and beetroot. Okay. And now we are going to learn the spellings of onion. O N I O N, onion. O N I O N, onion. Okay. Next one is potato. P O T A T O, potato. P O T A T O, potato. And next one is carrot. C A R O T, carrot. C A R O T, carrot. Onion. Say with me, children. Potato, carrot. These three vegetables grow under the ground. And what about these vegetables? The pea, repeat, tomato, chili. These grow above the ground. Okay. So, are you clear, children? I'll repeat once more. There are two kinds of vegetables. One is growing above the ground, another one is below or under the ground. Okay. So, under the ground vegetables are onion, potato, carrot. Below the ground vegetables are pea, tomato, chili. Okay. Now, children, tell your mama to prepare a vegetable garden and you want to cultivate some vegetables at home. Don't eat poison vegetables. Eat good vegetables and build a proper health. Okay. And be happy. Thank you. Bye-bye.